these nuts. Well, I've jammed it all well and proper now, I know, with this big thing. You can actually go on there.
Go back, go back, go back.
Buyers decided to push in. Assholes.
Oh, there you go. I can see cherry blossom.
I can see cherry blossom right here. Yes, that's it.
Very nice.
Finished.
Oh.
Well, where do these trucks come from? All these people on the back there. Don't mind following them, one of them back. Because if they fall off, it's good.
Oh wow,
No,
cherry blossoms. Now we can see them. It means we're here.
Well, as long as there's somewhere to stop soon. I'd have thought of it.
Oh my.
Just
going
endless.
down again.
Isn't it? Endless.
Yeah.
Whee!
Oh, cherry blossoms. So this is it. Okay, you said it go.
Yeah, but this is the same people that pushed. That made us go past a minute ago.
Oh.
They just made us. They passed us. So what's the point of them pulling in again? Maybe they'll
Wow,
step in
look
here.
at this. Oh my. Oh wow.